What if I told you the best workout split for building muscle has been hiding in plain sight all along? Whether you're training 3 days a week or 6, this split scales with your lifestyle. And it's backed by both lifters and science. Let's break down why the push-pull legs method might be the smartest way to train. So, why does the push-pull legs method work? The push-pull legs method of training separates muscle groups logically. One day for pushing, focusing on chest, shoulders, and triceps. Another day for pulling, focusing on back and biceps. And another separate day for training legs. This method of training allows for adequate recovery between sessions, and it works for both beginners and advanced lifters. It's also proven to work across natural and enhanced athletes. Let's talk about the types of layouts. The minimalist, or 3 training days per week. An example of this layout would be training a push day on Monday, training a pull day on Wednesday, and training legs on Friday. Another option would be the most balanced method, training 5 days per week. An example of this layout would be training push on Monday, followed by training pull on Tuesday, followed by training legs on Wednesday, and then a push on Friday, and your final pull workout on Saturday. And for you high-volume lifters, here is a 6-day per week split for you. Start with a push day on Monday, followed by a pull day on Tuesday, hitting legs on Wednesday, your second push day on Thursday, your second pull day on Friday, and legs on Saturday to finish off the week. Now let's go over some sample exercises to give you an idea of what to train each day. On push day, we will program in bench press, overhead press, and triceps dips. On pull day, we will train pull-ups, barbell rows, and face pulls. And on leg day, we will train squats, Romanian deadlifts, and walking lunges. Now for some tips to maximize your gains. Focus on progressive overload and keep rest times between 60 to 120 seconds. Don't skip sleep or nutrition. Remember, gains happen outside the gym too. Finally, be sure to swap in exercise variations every 4 to 6 weeks to prevent plateaus and mental fatigue. The push-pull legs training style might just be the most efficient way to train for muscle and strength. No matter your schedule, want a full 6-day PPL program. Subscribe to our channel and drop a comment below and we'll build it for you. This is RushFit, the muscle method. Subscribe for more science-backed training programs that actually work.